One of the first things you want to clean in an entryway are the glass doors. This needs to be done every time you're at a client's office. There's always going to be fingerprints, especially around the handle. So for this video's purpose, I am going to actually clean this whole pane. And if I was actually doing the job, I would do the this side and then the other side of the glass. But for this video, we're just going to do this. And 90% of the time, this is where your smudges are going to be in how on the parts that the people touch. So just a quick demonstration. As you see, I didn't use a lot of product. Okay. And you want to go over it a few times to make sure it's not smeary and that it's completely dry and looks great. So that's a demonstration of cleaning a window pane. And I actually do see some fingerprints on the other sides. So I'm just going to go over here and give you an example of, just going to hit, they're like right there. And now they are removed. Another thing we do in an entryway is clean and disinfect the door handles on a nightly basis. So we take some disinfectant, put it on our microfiber cloth, and just give a quick wipe like that. And then maybe here where people would touch with their hands. And that is something we do along with glass cleaning every night. Thing we do once a week in entryways, such as this one, high and low dusting. And you're going to see when I start dusting up there, there's some cobwebs. And this is exactly why we do this once a week. If you don't do it once a week, you start to form cobwebs. And if you can see it right there, you can literally see the cobwebs hanging from my duster. Okay? And then at like the top of that, all the way down, I see something on the floor that can be moved with my foot. There's no reason you can't do that. And then along here, and then back up here. So you want to do the whole frame of the door. And then Dana, if you want to spin around and come over this way, we're going to do these vents. Now, if you are super vertically challenged, and even with this high duster, you can't do that, we'll provide a step stool for you, okay? And then again, tops, ledges, all the way down. Again, there's something here. Oh, this hasn't been vacuumed underneath. There's actually salt from the winter. So that needs to be taken care of. I'm seeing cobwebs along there. Okay, some other things. Tops of these, the top of this vent, that vent, and then underneath here. Again, this is only once a week. You don't need to do this every night you're in a building. And then the tops of these things get dusty. I think we covered about everything there is in an entryway. So if you are doing an entryway like this, and there isn't a plug in the entryway, like there isn't an outlet like in this one, you're going to have to put the plug it in a different outlet. And you don't want this to close. You do not want this to close on your cord. So grab your little door stop, put it in there, and then you're going to work your way around it. So we're going to vacuum this side of the door. I'll show you. And actually, I can't even get all the way in there. So again, this is why you have this. And now I'm going to move this now. Okay? And then we're just going to finish up